Hello, everyone, and welcome to part one of the Grand Cycle Tour. And this is where I cycled from my hometown, Norwich, to Pompei in Italy and back again. So let's get into it. So, what was the plan? The plan was to cycle from here in Norwich. That's my hometown. We would cycle down through London to Portsmouth, which is here roughly, get a ferry, cycle down through France, right through the middle, down to here, across to Italy, through Italy, all the way down to Pompeii. That was our destination. And then we would cycle all the way back again. So I obviously wasn't going to do this by myself. I had my good friend Joe. There's Joe and his big smiling face. And here is my bike. Plans didn't start smoothly. No, they changed quickly. About 1 week before I was given a free ticket, this ticket to Slam Dunk Festival. I couldn't say no because I love music. So I went to the festival. I took a bus to London and I put my bike underneath. I put my bike underneath. At the festival, I drank, I danced, and I watched music like this one, or watched bands. Watch. After the festival, I met up with Joe. I met up with Joe at my brother's house. This is me. This is Joe. And this is my brother. And this is his house. So me and Joe went. We went. And we slept. And we stayed one night. In the morning, we woke up and we packed our bags. We packed our tents, our sleeping bag. We packed our clothes. We packed cutlery. We took a first aid kit, and we took a solar panel from using the sun. The solar panel, getting energy from the sun. We then took the ferry over to France. So we have arrived in France. We decided to stay one night in a campsite in our tents, and we rested one more night. And in the morning, we started our big adventure. So the plan was to head this way, south towards the coast. But first, we wanted to visit Omaha Beach, which is this way. Omaha Beach is made famous in the film Saving Private Ryan, which you can see here, the scene, the famous beach scene. And so we went in the complete wrong direction and we headed west towards Omaha. When we arrived at Omaha Beach, this is Omaha Beach, we saw old bunkers like this. We saw statues like this. We saw old artillery units like this. And we saw mass graves like this, which was very interesting, but very, very sad. And thanks for watching the first part of my cycling adventure. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.